Dear students, today we'll do measures of central tendency for ungrouped data. Now the first measure of central tendency is mean, and we know that mean is the sum of the values of all the observation divided by the total number of observations. So first let us do the first question. Find the mean of first 5 prime numbers. Now which is the first 5 prime numbers? They are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So here we have got mean is equal to sum of observations divided by total number of observations. Mean we denoted by x bar, that is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 11 plus 7 plus 11 divided by 5. This will give us 28 by 5, which is equal to 5.6. So the second question is, if the mean of 5 observations, they have given you 5 observations, is 11, find the value of x. Now we have got mean is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations, total number of observations. What's the mean given to us? 11, and the observations are x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 and x plus 8. How many observations are given to us? 5. So number of observations is 5. We get here 55 is equal to 5x plus 20, that is 5x equal to 35, x equal to 35 by 5, that is 7. The third question, mean of marks scored by 100 students was found to be 40. We have got mean is equal to sum of observations divided by total number of observations. Here it is given to us the mean marks scored by 100 students, that means we have got number of observations is 100 and the mean was 40. What we get here? Sum of observation is equal to 4000. Now what it is later found? Later on it was discovered that a score of 53 was misread as 83. The actual score is 53 but it was misread as 83. So the corrected sum now will become we got 4000. Out of that we will remove 83 and add 53 to it. This will give us 3970. So now what will be the corrected mean? The corrected mean will be the corrected sum, that is 3970 divided by total number of observation, that is 100. We will get here 39.7. Now here we have mean of 5 number is 18. Mean is equal to sum of observations divided by total number of observations. What they given? Mean of 5 numbers. So here we get 5 numbers. The mean is 18 and here we have got sum of 5 numbers. So what do we get? Sum of 5 numbers is equal to 18 into 5, that will give us 90. Now if one number is excluded, let the excluded number be x. Excluded means they have removed one number. So therefore sum of 4 numbers now become sum of 5 number is 90. We have to remove x, so it becomes 90 minus x. Now we have to find mean of 4 numbers. Mean of 4 numbers is equal to sum of 4 numbers divided by 4. Now mean of 4 numbers, it is given, it is 16. So 16 is equal to, and sum of 4 numbers we got 90 minus x. So from this what you get here? We get x equal to 90 minus 64, that is 26. Hence the excluded number is 26. The next measure of central tendency is median. Now what is median? When we arrange the data in ascending or descending order, the middlemost observation is called the median of the data. Now let us understand by taking example. Find the median of the following numbers. Here the numbers are 37, 31, 42, 43, 46, 25, 39, 45 and 32. First what you do, you have to arrange in ascending or descending order. I will arrange it in ascending order. So the first number will be 25. Then it is 31, 32, 37, 39, 42, 43, 45 and 46. Okay, now here the number of, let us count the number of observations. Number of observations that is n is equal to, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is an odd number. So there will be only one value in the middle. Now how do we find that position? We write here n plus 1 divided by 2. That is 9 plus 1 divided by 2. This gives us 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. Therefore median is equal to value of the 5th observation. What's the value of the 5th observation? Let us see which is the 5th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is equal to 39. Therefore median is equal to 39. Second question, find the median of the following data. First let us arrange the data in ascending order. The first will be 20, then 22, 23, 25, 26, 28, 31, 32, then we have got 34 and 35. First let us find the number of observations. got here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 means it is even number. So we'll have 2 observations in the middlemost position. Let us find what are the positions. First one will be n by 2, that is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5, and n by 2, the next one will be 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now let us find which is the 5th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th observation. 26 is the 5th observation, and the 6th observation is 28. Now we have to find mean of 26 and 28. That will give us the median. Therefore, median is equal to value of 5th observation plus value of 6th observation divided by 2. What value of 5th observation we got? 26. 6th observation was 28 divided by 2. This will give us 54 divided by 2. That is equal to 27. That means median is equal to 27. The third question, the median of the observation, they given us 10 observations arranged in ascending order is 24. Find the value of x. Now here the data is already been arranged in ascending order, so we'll write it as it is. Here number of observations, n is equal to 10. 10 is an even number, so there will be 2 values which will be in the middlemost position. We have to find the mean of that value. So first let us find the position n by 2, that will be 10 by 2 is equal to 5. We have to take the next observation, that is n by 2 plus 1, that is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So here you get median is equal to value of 5th observation plus value of 6th observation divided by 2. What's the median given to us? 24. Let us see the value of the 5th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the value of the 6th observation is this. So you'll get here x plus 2 plus x plus 4 divided by 2. This will give us 48 is equal to 2x plus 6. That will be, x will get 42 divided by 2, that is equal to 21. The third measure of central tendency is mode. Now what is mode? Mode is that value of observation which occurs most frequently, or we can say an observation with maximum frequency is called mode. Let us understand it taking an example. Find the mode of, here the data has been given to us 14, 25, 'You can see here 14 occurs the maximum number of times. You got 114, second, third and fourth. Since the value 14 occurs, maximum number of times, how many times it occurs? 4 times. Hence the mode is 14.